Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove text from video in Capcut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Capcut, and now once you have opened it, you need to simply import or project. So simply go in your video and select any of the project you want to import. Once you have done and imported the video, you can simply tap on the text icon. So once you add a text in your video like this, it will be shown in your video screen this way. So to delete it, all you need to do is simply tap on that particular text, and from your timeline, you need to simply scroll the menu bar and find the delete option right over there. Simply tap on the delete option, and now you won't have that particular text on your CapCut video. So this way you can remove text from your video in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.